Wherever you are, I hope you're doing well. Natural disasters on a event channel, welcome. Devastating monsoon rains claim lives, cause floods and landslides in northern India. In a recent deluge of monsoon rains, northern India has been ravaged by floods and landslides, resulting in the unfortunate loss of at least 22 lives. Reports and officials confirmed that the region has witnessed landslides and flash floods, with Delhi experiencing the heaviest rainfall in decades. Look here, the landslide begins to cause the crash of two voices, two rocks crush two cars. What a disaster. The dire situation has prompted the closure of schools in Delhi, where heavy downpours inundated the national capital throughout the weekend. Authorities in the Himalayan states of Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand have issued warnings, urging residents to remain indoors unless absolutely necessary. The streets become an angry ocean which takes everything in its path. Several states in the north, including Punjab, Delhi, and Uttarakhand, have been severely affected, with streets transformed into waterlogged thoroughfares. To rescue those stranded within their homes, rescue teams have resorted to utilizing rubber rafts, as described by local media. These unfortunate events serve as a somber reminder of the devastating power of nature and the urgent need for swift action to protect vulnerable communities from the relentless onslaught of monsoon rains. Subscribe for more daily videos. Goodbye.